The Reds versus the Blues. And everyone seems to lose. 4 years, they say. And it's going to be mandatory for the insurance companies to make me pay. Hey, hey, hey. Pay the piper. Riper than any dirty diaper. Not better than my sweater. In case I can't hack a biological attack. Yeah, so why am I sad for Sandra Buttocks? All this mess has made me think less. Jesse James screws face tattoos. Another Hollywood wannabe. And on her legs is tattooed the letters WP. Is it white power? Or is it wet pussy? Oh, gee. So why do I mourn Sandra Buttocks? Is it because art is so lamed out in this current existence? Who cares? Nobody anymore. And perhaps rightfully so. As the big ship is sinking, don't y'all know? Yet wasn't it the Great Depressional era that brought about some of the greatest cinema? Some great slapstick shtick. I need to give myself a goddamn kick. I need to get my act together, get my ass off the can. Figure out what the fuck and start screwing. Maybe there's hope, or maybe I'm just a dope, or it's probably the latter for what it matter, but maybe I'll keep playing the crazy cooter, or I'll just fuck around with my fucking pooter.